Hello, this is Vasimula and welcome to my channel. That is Vasimula, graphics and architectural designer. So today I'm going to show you the basic interface of 3dsmax and how to use the tools of 3dsmax. Let's open 3dsmax. Now this is quick access toolbar. These are ribbons. These are tools and how to use it. Make a box and drag it in respective viewport. Drag it upward. These are simple tools like box, rectangle, or square, or cube. These are cone, like ice cream cone. Now this is ball, or you can say it the golf ball, sphere. May open the faces. Geosphere, cylinder, tube, you can see the car tube or the cycle tube. This is torus, working like a ring. This is pyramid. This is teapot. Plane. It's a flat plane surface. You can make it a floor also. This is text, like how to make it 3D. First type it in front viewport, minimize the perspective viewport. Now drag into front viewport and now go to the select text option, type Vasimula. Now make it extrude. Making into 3D. Now this is 3D of text. Before it was 2D plain, but it was only plain text. It was only sublines. Now drag a box. Now how to make first increase the segments. As I don't want segments over here, so 1 type 1. Now make it editable poly to make it extra element. As I want to make a room, simple room, so delete the first polygon, front polygon, and make a shell, apply shell modifier. Now in amount increase it. Now this is simple walls of the room, you can see it, simple room. Now make a box on the front side to cover the area of the hole. Make sure you have on the snapping. with the vertex and increase its height and drag it to the front view. Come to the top viewport and drag it into the front side. Now select this cone, increase its segment. How to increase the segments? Just drag it and make it downward. Now come to the object properties and increase its segment. As you can see, the lines. And lines is called segments. Now delete it.